Guess what I'm making, you guys? I am making 100% all natural coconut milk.
Nice, beautiful, creamy, natural, healthy fats. Right here, you guys. Stay tuned for the video.
Welcome back to my kitchen, you all. Welcome back to my kitchen. Peta-gay Barrett here with Barrett Fitness. I'm gonna jump straight into it, you guys, because I am making homemade coconut milk, you all, with 2 ingredients. All you need is coconut and water, and you can spike it and spice it up as you like. You can put vanilla, you can put nutmeg, you can put whatever you want to do to spice it up. But I am making fresh from scratch coconut milk today. We're gonna get straight into it, you all. So all you need for to make this, it's very easy, you guys. I have fresh coconut right here, and really, I actually went to the farmer's market, bought a whole coconut, and here's the image right here. So what a coconut look like. I got a hammer and I beat it open, got it open, drink the water, and I get a knife and just get into it and get the coconut out. Then I chop them up, and they look just like that, you guys. So this is one small coconut right here, chopped up and ready to go. And you know, if you can't get a whole coconut or whatever from somewhere, you can make this ingredient with almonds as well. Make almond milk the very same way. Very easy, very simple. Let's get into it, you guys. So this is, again, it's about 2 cups of coconut right here, whole coconut right here. You'll need that, and you will need this. This is what we call a nut milk bag. I got these on Amazon, maybe $2. I think there were like 3 or 4 of them in a set, and I use this. I've actually used this to make juice. So I use it to make pomegranate juice. So I'll get the pomegranate out, put it in here, and put a little bit of water in and just squeeze it out the bag. But this is what you need: a nut milk bag, 2 cups of coconut, and about 2 cups of water. It's my water of choice. You can use whichever water you choose to. I am going to do that. I am going to do it all in my nutribullet right here. And you'll need a bowl. Something like this, maybe a little bit bigger, and you may need a strainer as well. Sometimes you may or may not need a strainer. Usually when I use the nut bag, I don't need a strainer, but if I use a strainer, I may need the nut milk bag. And that's all you need, you guys. So we're gonna jump straight into it, you all. I am just going to grab my coconut, and I'll probably do them in 2 parts. But I'm just gonna grab them and make a mess. And I'll just grab my coconut and toss it in my cup right here. There we go, very simple. Just kind of push the rest of those to the side right now. I'm gonna pour my water in. Very easy, you guys. Homemade coconut milk with none of that extra stuff added to it. There you go. And if you like, you can put all of it in there, just depending on how it is. So we'll just go ahead and put it all in there. How about that? There we go. And it's just the same way I make my smoothies, you guys. Just toss it all in. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm gonna zap this just a couple more times. Alrighty, you all, so this baby is ready. Really, that's how you make homemade almond milk, you guys. That is it. So, get this baby open. And all I'm going to do is to pour my nuts, my blended coconut in my nut milk bag, just like so. And just squeeze it out. That is all you have to do, you guys. Just squeeze all of it. Make a little mess as you go, that's fine. Make sure your hands are clean. I think that's all I'm gonna get out of it, you guys. Homemade coconut milk. So we are ready to go, you guys. I'm going to actually pour it in here because it's probably a little bit easier to pour in my glass, but come a little bit closer so you guys can see. There we go. Look at that, you guys. 100% all natural homemade coconut milk, you guys. That is it. So I am now going to just pour it in a clearer glass. So come again, come a little closer. Check this baby out. Check that out. Nice and smooth and creamy. And I am actually going to use this to make some golden milk. That's what I'm gonna be making, you guys, golden milk. And that will be another video, but how easy was that, you all? How easy was that to make? You can do the same with any nuts. Almonds mainly, you can do it with almonds, again, the coconut, probably pistachios, but I've only done almonds and the coconut, you guys. So until next time, you guys, go find you something healthy and easy to make. Coconut milk it is. Now I'm gonna take a couple sips of this, baby. 100% all natural coconut milk. Until next time, you guys, get your ass up and move, y'all.